Okay, so I thought the best way to show you what's going on in section 1.4 is to just go ahead and work right through one of the problems. So this is section 1.4, number 5. And it says, here's your volume level. These are going to be your X values. And here's your sound level. These are going to be your Y values. First thing it asks you to do is draw a scattergram. Well, what I notice is that when the volume goes up, the sound goes up. So that means it can't be B because that one has sound going down. And it can't be D because that one's kind of bouncing around. So it's either got to be A or C. I'm going to take a look at one of these here. And let's see, 6, right on 60. That one looks pretty good. 8, 64, that one's believable. So this one looks pretty good. I'm going to take a guess that this one's the right one. Yeah, okay. Once we have that, we want to find this graph again, and then we want the line going through it, so that one has to be that one. All right, and then it says, use your model to estimate the sound level when the volume is near 18. So what I want to do, go back to my graph, I want my volume to be near 18, and I go up, and it looks like it's about 83, 84, somewhere in there maybe. Let's try 83. No, let's try 84. All right, there it is. So a little bit of estimation there. You might not get it right quite the first time. 84. Well, if I'd have looked at my table, I'd have been more convinced, because when my volume number is 18, my sound level is 84. All right, maybe I should have looked at my table too. All right, now it says, use your model to estimate the volume number that is comparable to a noisy office. All right, so a noisy office has a sound level of 75. So again, I would go back to my graph here. They've given me 75. That's a sound level. So I've got to come over. 75. Looks like it's right around there, right around 13. Let's see if that makes sense. 75 is between 12 and 14, so 13 seems reasonable. Okay, maybe it needs to be a little bit bigger, because I notice that 75 is closer to 14 than 72 is, so maybe it's got to be like 13 and a half. Boy, that's kind of fussy, isn't it? All right, well, that seemed to work. That's bothersome a little bit that you have to give a fraction there, but I guess you do. Okay, so those are the sort of things you're going to be looking at in this section. I hope that helps. If it doesn't, let me know where you think you're having trouble, and I'll get back to you with some more examples.